Hey, how's it going? This is Amari. I wanted to send you this quick video because I'm looking for a business in the fitness and personal training space in central Kentucky to work with. And I came across your website, FitKentucky, on the third page of Google, on the top of the third page of Google. So really, the reason for sending this video is because I want to show you some really proven strategies on how you can get from being on the top of the first page of Google, to being on page one, and not only being organically on page one, beating out prooffitness.com, but also landing here in the top three spots on Google My Business listing. In this day and age where people are using their cell phones for searches, this is how a lot of people are, contacting the businesses they're interested in. They're not clicking on ads, which is very low turnover rate, and ads are starting to get more and more expensive. So if you can organically get your business here, have a client click on your phone number and then immediately call you to get more information, you have a higher chance of turning them over into a paying customer. So I'm going to show you some ways to get from being here to being on the first page of Google. And the first thing you want to do is increase the content on your homepage. Google, when it finds a website and it crawls the website, that's what they call it. It's called crawling a website. It looks for words, whether it's an image, whether it's a link to another page on your website, maybe it's just words. It's looking for all those things, and when it finds, content, which is just, you explaining something on your website, whether you go into explaining something on your blog post, which is really great that you do have blog posts, by the way. So the website is really well designed and broken down nice, and it has good feedback. But what you really want is a lot more high quality content on your home page, so Google will rank your home page higher when people look for personal trainer. Your services page, definitely you want to um, have some really good content. So here, when someone comes to personal training, you want this a lot more fleshed out. You want about, a good 600-700 words, and not for, client's sake, which is, good for them to find more information, but for Google to see that you are the authoritative website on home personal training. So they'll keep sending people to your website, and then your website will continue to rank higher on Google. So doing that for every single one of your pages, getting a lot more content on there is something that'll build your website up, really, really quickly. So it's good that you have some blog content, but getting more content overall on your website is key. The next thing is getting more backlinks. So if we come to look at the backlinks on your website, you have about 5 backlinks. However, your trust flow and citation flow is pretty low. Your link quality really needs to be in the 25 range in order to really start outranking these websites that are beating you out. So to beat out Proof Fitness is something that you want to do. So if you look at theirs, going back to content, they have a lot more worded content, on their homepages. Granted, it's not a lot, and that's one of the reasons that they're beating you out. If you come to their site, also they have a lot more backlinks, but it's a little bit lower than yours. So just to go on what a backlink is, it's basically a vote from another website. So, some websites have higher trust flow and citation flow. So when they vote for you, you really want a good quality website giving you a vote. That's between a neighbor seeing you guys do really good personal fitness, and the governor of Kentucky saying you do really good personal fitness. Still, they're both one vote. However, one has a lot more weight to it than the other one. So being able to come in here, increase this 10x to, 50 referring domains, and raising up that trust flow and citation flow will get you from the third page of Google, in a matter of a couple weeks. And the next thing I do want to talk about is the first page of Google. So you want to be able to get your Google My Business listing here, and the way to do that is to get a lot of 5-star votes. You really want to get a lot of 5-star votes, because when you use Google's tools, they reward you for it. And when you get other people to use Google's tools, they reward you even more for it. So being able to use the Google My Business service they have, and then getting people to just send you five star reviews is a key way to get your website to rank. And not only that, but there's a lot more ways that you can get your website to rank with certain keywords, keyword quantity, how to make sure you're not spamming your website, because Google's algorithm is extremely intelligent. How to not spam not spam your website. Getting a lot more citations out there for your business, so you're spread across the internet as much as possible when it comes to personal training and personal fitness. So I just wanted to send you this quick video. Hopefully it helps. Because I really do think you guys have a lot of potential to get to the top page of Google. Again, my name is Amari. If you have any questions, or you just want to talk about how to get your business to the next level and really dominate the competition on that front page of probably the most important search engine on the internet, just send me an email. Let me know. I'll be more than happy to chat with you. Thanks a lot, and hey, have a good day.